we are going to learn about two-letter words. Two sounds together make sensible word. First, we take all vowels. Let us see how many vowels we have. They are A, E, I, O and U. Okay. Now let us talk about I vowel sounds two-letter words that are. First one is I and in. The sound of this two-letter word is E, in. E, in. The next is I, F, if. The sound of this two-letter word is E, if. The sound of again E, if. Okay. The next one is I, as, is. The sound of this two-letter word is E, is. E, is. Okay. The next I, P, it. The sound of this two-letter word is I, that is E, it. Okay. Now we will repeat all these words. I and in.
I and in. I and in.
IF if.
IF if. IF if.
IS is.
IS is. IS id.
And IT it.
IT it. IT it.
Now you children repeat it.
In, if, is, it. In, if, id, it.
Again. Yes.
In, if, is, it. In, if, it.
Okay. Understood all the children?